Welcome to the ImageDirector tutorial for working with files. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to assign metadata, place files into folders, assign access rights, and manage rights. After you uploaded your files, you can efficiently assign metadata to a single file or to groups of files. Go to your inbox, the folder, or the project that you would like to work with. Click on the General tab. Enter a short name. This name shows under thumbnails or in the slideshows instead of the file name. Enter a description. It will show in the file previews and in shows. Enter keywords as needed. You can create a keyword list by clicking on the keyword symbol. Add a new keyword. You can now click on individual keywords to be added to this file. Add notes as needed. These notes are for users with editing rights only. Except for notes, all fields are part of the search functionality. You can modify the metadata of multiple files by clicking on the red double arrow. The window that appears lets you select which fields you wish to overwrite. Everything that multiple files have in common can be edited for these files at once. For example, if you want the description, the keywords, and notes to be shared, check Description, Keywords, and Notes. You can include the entire subfolder hierarchy or the same level folders for overwriting. Click OK. All files in the inbox, the folder, or a project are now filled with the same shared metadata of the selected fields. In the Geodata tab, you can add additional information to the geolocation of the file. Enter an address or latitude and longitude. Clicking on the map allows you to precisely map the location. Click on the Folders tab. The Group Selector is an optional feature. It allows you to assign files to different groups or clients that have their separate administration. Add a group to the Add Group field. Select the groups that this file belongs to. By default, all files are assigned to your home group and no change is needed. In order to place the file into a new folder, type in the name of the new folder. Assign access rights by checking one or more access levels. Access levels are defined by the administrators. You can force the appearance of a watermark on viewable files by checking the watermark box. If the box remains unchecked, only the access levels that are preset by the administrator for watermarks will receive the digital stamp. Watermarks do not appear on originals. Upon saving the file, your new folder is created. You can use the Overwrite All feature for any of the selections that you wish to overwrite. The files are visible only to those access rights that you have checked. To place a file into an existing folder, use the Folder selector. Click on the main folder. The subfolders open. Click on the subfolder. Set your access rights. Save or overwrite all. With Overwrite All, you can check the folder and the access rights. Click OK. All files are placed into the respective folder and are only visible to the checked access rights. Any folder can contain files with different access rights, and visitors will only see folders that contain files for them. The Rights tab contains features that help you manage the rights of any file. You can set the validity start date. Files that are not valid are not shown to access rights other than administrators. You can set the validity to end date. When the file expires, all access rights are removed and a warning is automatically sent to the administrator. In addition, expired files are marked such that they are clearly visible to administrators. You can add a date when the file has been created, add the photographer, add the text with the copyright information. If you check to display this information before downloading the file, the visitor will be prompted to confirm the copyright. Add additional credits to the metadata as needed. Check the formats you wish to make available for download. As default, all file types are available except for video files, which are set by default to play only. If you check no format, a download request form will be presented to the visitor. This triggers an automated process to accept or decline the request. In this tutorial, you learn how to assign metadata, place files into folders, assign access rights, and manage rights.